In this video, I'll explain a training proposal. The proposal is about placement training followed by placements from Ism Univ. The proposal is to conduct a special training program for your students of all discipline for a duration of 90 to maximum 288 hours, depending on the requirements. This training is to enhance the campus selection and provide a continued placement support from our end. The requirement of this particular special placement training program is the entire college as a team concentrates on various procedures to fulfill the norms of the university and the various accreditation boards. You're busy conducting the training for all the subjects, conducting internal exams, assignments, projects in the stipulated time. Usually college falls short of manpower and time to cover some of the important skills required for today's job market. We are aware that you are capable of doing these kind of placement training by yourself, provided you have time and the manpower. Many of the college does not have this time and the manpower, and this is the very requirement for our proposal. This training program comes with a lot of ingredients to make your student excel in the campus selection. Let me go through all of them in a short duration. Start with the specialization skills. A specialization on some skills like maybe if it is electronics and communication engineers, they may opt for embedded system, IoT. Computer science students may opt for data science, AML, data analytics, full stack development. Mechanical students or civil students may opt for AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D. Specialization on a specific domain. For IT related disciplines, basics of programming, understanding the language, implementing the data structure, the various algorithms, and a few optimization techniques. This is essential programming techniques required by engineers who need to become a software engineers. Tools, of course, without a tool, an engineer is a layman. What are the tools that an engineer need to use during the project? And getting aware of these tools and getting some hands-on on using these tools, and that is tool skills. English communication. We know that English has become essential skill in corporates. As English becomes the core language of communication in corporate. Training the engineers on English grammars, written English, reading English and verbal communication practices, and that's very much required because almost 30% of engineers does not have a kind of English communication which is required by the industry. Next, interpersonal skills, like how to interact with the team, how to establish healthy relationship with the team members, how effectively you can put your ideas on the table, how to excel in a team meet. I think this requires some kind of understanding, the personality understanding and psychology, and that's interpersonal skill training. Next, aptitude training. We all know that almost all companies have started testing the engineer's mental capability by giving this test called as aptitude test. We would like to train on this so that he will excel in aptitude test. Aptitude problems on mathematics, logical reasoning, English, patterns, puzzles are taken and explained and practiced and that is aptitude training. Soft skills: how to build positive attitude, how to manage stress, critical thinking, conflict management, time management, adaptability, leadership mindset, and the mentoring the team. Recently, I was watching a top tech CEO interview. One of the questions that interviewer was put was like, to survive in this software industry, what am I supposed to learn for the next 20 years? Then the answer was very blunt. The answer was learn to learn. The CEO said, we do not want engineers to get specialized on something or expertise in something. He should be adaptable. The engineer should be adaptable, understand the current situation, learn whatever is required and make the project successful. That's the requirement. Adaptability becomes something very necessary for the future engineers. Yeah, we train on adaptability, how to adapt. Interview skills. After all these things, he is going to face the interview. How to impress the interviewer, how to communicate with the interviewer, how to make the interview very interactive, how to handle the question, given the time, how to use this time very effectively, how to use brain during interview, how to make an impact in the interview. If any candidate can impress the interviewer, make an impact during the interview, I think he or she gets selected. Yeah, interview skills. Some of the domain updates and technological updates. Digital skills. This is a comprehensive hands-on program. How to draft an email, how to draft a letter, some of the digital mathematics, MS Office, how to install some operating system on your desktop or laptop. A tiny issues like network issues, how to resolve that. These are essentially required by every engineer today. AI is there, and this program doesn't train you on how to create AI. This is how to use AI. As an electrical engineer, what is that I can get from AI? What is that I can use in AI? How I can make my project better, my contribution to the project better using AI? What are the information that I can get? What task that I can ask the AI so that he can help me? I think this has to be known so that the engineers can use the existing AI platforms for their benefit. That's AI for engineers. Today, if you go to engineering classrooms during first year or second year, ask them what do you want to become. At least 20% will say that we would like to start some business. We would like to start up. But what happens during third year, fourth year is that he keeps following the job seekers, and the hunting the job like that. And he gets trained on also on that. He gets fine-tuned on that. Yeah. What happened to his dream of startup? Maybe it's usually getting diluted because he wants to start up, but he doesn't know how to start up. What is the legal things to start up? If I need a fund, then where do I need to approach? Do I need to go for a bank or do I need to go for venture capital? Is there any other avenues? What are the schemes that government has got? By that, I get benefited to start up. And then these need to be said or explained to the students, and that's entrepreneurship training. And this will create few entrepreneurs among the various students who attend this training program. Yeah, India needs more entrepreneurs. And understanding Indian and international economy and politics, very much required. That's a comprehensive training program. The highlight of this training program, the placement training program, is that it is not one who is going to handle all these things. Yeah, we would like to present some experts. Okay, we handpick some of the experts in a specific domain, put into this kind of training so that the student gets a max benefit. Actual benefit of this particular program is that, okay, first of all, it builds tremendous amount of confidence in students. Yeah, he goes to the campus, okay, interviews with much more confidence. It enhances the performance in campus placements. You will see overall improvement in placements. College reputation raises automatically because college reputation is not based only on, okay, the quality of education. It also is based on number of students who got placed in the campus. College reputation raises. It would be a great service to nation if college can produce value-based engineers. Yeah, of course, we provide continued placement support from our end after the campus. These are the benefits of this program. The course duration varies maybe from 90 to 288 hours depending on the requirements. Mode of training would be a blended training like classroom training, online training, e-learning, micro-learning, all combined together to get benefit of all such modes of training. The course fee can be discussed and decided. Maybe starts from rupees 3,500 rupees per student, may go maximum until 12,000 per student for the entire course. About ISM, ISM Univ is a 30 plus years training and placement institution. We have a registered office in Bangalore, Rajajinagar. We are around 40 plus people working on enhancing the careers of engineers. I am the founder of this institution. My name is Loganathan B. Thank you for your time and consideration.